Hi, good morning to everyone. Before we start, can you please test kung gumagana, kung naririnig niyo ako? Please comment, post a comment, any comment, kung malinaw ba yung sound ko. Okay? Okay, mukhang malinaw. Naririnig niyo ba ako? Sino mga nandyan? Okay, thank you, Kurt. Salamat. Yes po, thank you, Bea. Salamat. Okay, sige, let's start. So, I want you to participate, yung mga nandyan sa live. Okay? So, katulad ng pinangako ko kahapon, sabi ko I will conduct a live lesson about the first module. Thank you, Harold. Ego. So, gagamitin natin yung module na binigay sa inyo. Yung lesson, nasa week 2 tayo. Kasi tandaan nyo, nag-week 1 na tayo. So, kung may makakapanood man nito na taga-ibang school or ibang estudyante na hindi taga-Sayhay, nagawa na po namin yung week 1. So, we'll do week 2 now. Okay po? So, for week 2, we're going to talk about arithmetic sequence. Ang gagawin natin, lahat lang nakasulat dun sa module, yun muna ang pag-uusapan natin. Tapos, I'll just link some videos na ginawa ko before pa about arithmetic sequence kung gusto nyo pang magsagot ng iba pang or matuto ng iba pang problem solving at iba pang itsura ng mga tanong na related sa arithmetic sequence. Okay? So, let's begin. Ready na ba tayo? Okay, sige. So for today's video, we're going to talk about arithmetic sequence. We're going to illustrate and define it. Number 2, we're going to derive the formula for the nth term na hindi na-derive dun sa module. So, derive natin dito. And also, we're going to solve problems and exercises about arithmetic sequence. Not much of the problem, pero dun tayo sa mga exercises na nandun sa module. Okay? So, let's begin. Kung normal to na klase, ask siguro si Harold to read the definition. Pero, syempre, di ko pwedeng gawin yan. So, an arithmetic sequence is a sequence where each succeeding term is obtained by adding a fixed number. So, ito yung definition dun sa module nyo. The fixed number is called the common difference denoted by D. Okay? So, I have here 3 sequences. Tingnan natin kung arithmetic sequence silang lahat. Pero syempre, arithmetic sequence yan. Ayun yung first examples ko eh. So for the first one, we have 2, 7, 12, 17, 22. To get to the next term, alam natin na from 2 to get to 7, you add 5. From 7 to get to 12, you add another 5. You add another 5 to get to 17, and then you add another 5 to get to 22. So, in this case, this is an arithmetic sequence. Your common difference here is a positive 5. Let's have the second one. We have 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. So, from 10 to get to 8, you don't, hindi increasing, no? Hindi dumadagdag. So, para kang nag-minus ng, actually, hindi pala parang nag-minus. Nag-minus ka ng 2. So, nag-add ka ng negative 2. So, you add a negative 2. Or simply, you subtracted 2. So, from 8 to 6, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. So, for this example, your common difference is minus 2. How about the third one? Sige nga yung mga nandyan sa live, ano yung common difference nitong third example? $1.2, 1.5, and 1.8. Dapat pala sa next live natin yung merong yung may pinipindot, no? Pag-aaralan ko yan. Sige, yung mga nasa live, what is the common difference? Sabi ni Harold ay 0.3 daw. Sabi ni Bea ay 0.3. Sabi ni Adrian, 0.3 din. Yeah, very good. So, to get the common difference, of course, you just have to 0.3. Yes, Avi, tama. So, say 1.5, it's 1.5 minus 1.2. So, that is 0.3. Or 1.8 minus 1.5, which is also 0.3. Sa kabila nga pala dito, pagkuha mo ng common difference, laging yung a sub 2 minus a sub 1. Or yung sumunod na term minus yung previous term. So, the common difference is, ito yung notation na ginagamit a sub n plus 1 minus a sub n. Yan. Okay? So, that's how we get the, kasi ang n plus 1, ibig sabihin, yung next term after nito. After nitong term na to. So, yan. Dito, kaya to negative 2 kasi it's 8 minus 10. Kaya siya negative 2. Dito naman, kaya 5 because it's 7 minus 2. So, that's positive 5. Okay, so tama, Kurt, tama, Abby. Okay, so let's have, any questions with arithmetic sequence? Okay pa tayo. So, ito medyo mahalaga to mamaya. Pag-usapan natin to. Balikan natin to mamaya. Okay. Next. Determine whether each of the following number sequences is an arithmetic progression or not. So nga, for 2 minutes. So yung mga nasa live, sige nga, alin dyan yung arithmetic progression, alin yung hindi. Sige. First is 20, 27, and then 34. Number 2 is negative 10, negative 8, negative 5, negative 1. And then number 3 is 3, 5 halves, and then suddenly it's 2. Sige, which of those sequences are arithmetic progression? Okay. Next time pala magsasama pala dapat ako dito ng no? Ng kahit sino para para may kausap pala ako dapat. Sige. Yun. So, cons, ano yung 2? At 2 yung hindi? Or 2 yung arithmetic progression? Sabi naman ni Bea, arithmetic po yung excuse me. Arithmetic po yung 1 and 3. Kurt, 1 and 3 daw. Harold, 1 and 3. Yeah, very good. 1 and 3 lang yung arithmetic progression. So for number 1 is 20, 27, 34. So 20 to get to 27. Teka lang, nawala yung ko. 20 to, let's go back. 20 to get to 27, you add 7. 27 to 34, you add 7. So the common difference is 7. Sa number 2, negative 10 to get to negative 8. So, anong sabi ko na common difference is negative 8 minus previous. Negative 10. Okay naman, pwedeng negative 5 minus negative 8. Depende sa inyo. So, this will become negative 8 minus minus. It will become plus 10. So, negative 8 plus 10. That's plus 2. Okay? And then, kapag tinignan natin yung isa, yung kabila, negative 5 minus negative 8, it will become negative 5 plus 8. 3. Negative 1 minus negative 5 will get negative 1 plus 5. So that's 4. So ang difference nito ay 2. Then suddenly it becomes 3. And then 4. Hindi constant yung difference. So therefore, it's not an arithmetic progression. Not an AS. AS or AP. Depende. May mga libro arithmetic progression yung ginagamit. May mga libro arithmetic sequence. How about number 3? Kasi nga, ano ang common difference ng number 3? Common difference ng number 3? Sabi nyo, it's arithmetic progression. So, what is the common difference? Hindi ko alam kung kung mabagal ba yung live ko or mabagal yung internet. Definitely mabagal yung internet. Sige, what is a common difference for number 3? Sino ang mauna? Negative 1/2, sabi ni Kurt. Sabi ni Bea, sabi ni Chris, ni Vic ay 1/2. Sabi ni Bea, negative 1/2. Sabi ni Adrian, 1/2 po. Si Kurt daw, negative 0.5. Cons, negative. Vic, negative 1/2. So, binago na niya yung kanyang sagot. Si Cons, negative 1/2 din. Sige, let's see. So, to get the common difference, so for number 3, oops. So for number 3, it's 3, 5/2, at saka 2. So to get the common difference, pwedeng 5/2 minus 3 or pwede namang 2 minus 5/2. Depende kung ano mas gusto niyo dyan. Ngayon, yan, fraction na naman tayo. Don't tell me this is the ito yung part na mas mahirap. Okay, well, so, sino yung ganitong mag-subtract ng fractions or mag-add ng fractions? Ang ginagawa ko dyan, it's 5/2. And then, itong 3, ginagawa ko ding similar fraction. Yung same yung denominator. So, yung 3, I can write that as 6/2. 6/2. And then, yeah, 5 minus 6, that's negative 1/2. Sino yung ganun din mag-add? Yeah, comment down below. Paano nyo ito ina-add? Or baka nagano kayo over 1? Pwede naman yung over 1. Over 1 to. Tapos LCD is 2. Then 2 divided by 1 times 2. So that's 4. 2 divided by 2. That's 1 times 5 minus 5. And then this is negative 1/2. So parehas lang. So tama, negative 1/2. So since common yung difference nito, this is an arithmetic progression with common difference, negative 1/2. Okay, very good. Any questions with this one? Wala. Okay. So let's have example or exercise number 2. Show that each of the following sequences is an arithmetic sequence. Hence, state the common difference. So may word na show. How are we going to show na arithmetic sequence to? Any idea from the comment? From the live? From the live participants. Paano natin mapapakita na arithmetic sequence ang isang sequence? Of course, we can go back to the definition na kailangan common yung difference. Wala po. Anong wala po? Walang arithmetic sequence dito. Si Harold, sabi ni Harold, 15 minus 18. So let me write this. Prove using the formula. Okay, sige. I-reserve natin yung formula Bea later. So sabi ni Harold, it's 15 minus 8 equals 12 minus 15. Okay. Sabi daw, to show that this is an arithmetic sequence, we can, anong sabi ni Harold? It's 15 minus 8. 15 minus 18 is equal to 12 minus 15. Yeah, very good. Basically, this is it. So, ang mga terms natin pwede nating ilagyan ng for 18, 15, 12, and 9, this is a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, and a sub 4. Notice that, sabi ni Harold, a sub 2 minus a sub 1, tama? 15 minus 18 is a sub 2 minus a sub 1 is equal to a sub 4 minus a sub 3. Now, this is one way of showing that this is an arithmetic sequence. So since, so lagyan dito, since, so from here, since this is this is correct. A sub 2 minus A sub 1 is equal to A sub 4 minus A sub 3. Therefore, the sequence 18, 15, 12, and 9 is an arithmetic sequence. Okay. Sir, late send. Haha, sorry po. Okay. Okay, how about number 2? Is that an arithmetic sequence? How we're going to show that that is an arithmetic sequence? Ito, ano lang to ha, this is one way of showing yung A sub 2 minus A sub 1 equals A sub 3 minus A sub 4 minus A sub 3. That's one way of showing that that is an arithmetic sequence. Okay, and of course, we can also use that for number 2. Again, to show that a sequence is an arithmetic sequence, you just have to prove that A sub 2 minus A sub 1 is equal to A sub 4 minus A sub 3, or kung ang binigay naman sa inyo ay mas malala yung terms, basta yung nauna minus yung yung sumunod minus yung nauna equals, hanap ka ng ibang magka-pair ng sumunod minus nauna. Okay. So for this case, number 2, this is A sub, for number 2, this is A sub 1, A sub 2, and A sub 3. Sige nga, from the live students, anong common difference ng number 2? Provided na arithmetic sequence yan. Naalala ko yung isang estudyante, kapag nagiging letter na, medyo nasimangot na siya. Akala niya daw numbers lang ang math. So, yun na nagkaka-letters na. So, medyo, nasimangot na siya. I will not mention the name. Sige, what's the common difference? Sabi ni Harold, Harold, this is what we're going to do. Okay, sige. Tuloy mo. Over. Not over, but kasi naka-divide yung sa'yo eh. 5x minus 2. Okay. Ano ba yun? Typo lang ba yun yung divide na yun? Kasi pag divide, this is for geometric, which we'll discuss next week. So you can change this into subtraction. Pero tama yung kay Harold. Yun nga lang, hindi dapat siya over. Okay, very good. Okay. Sige, sino pa? Sulat ka na din yung kay Harold, So sabi ni Harold, divide lang yung kanya pero let's show A sub 2. Sabi ni Christian Vic, subtraction po pala. Yes, Harold, tama, subtraction. Sabi ni Vic, ang common difference daw ay x plus y. So let's see if it's x plus y. A sub 2 minus A sub 1 is equal to 5x minus 2y minus, do not forget the parentheses, 4x minus 3y. Simplify mo na natin, we have 5x minus 2y. Distribute the negative, we have negative 4x plus 3y. Simplify natin, we'll have 5x minus 4x, that is x, and then negative 2y plus 3y, that's plus y. How about A sub 3 minus A sub 2? That is A sub 3 minus A sub 2 is 6x minus y minus 5x minus 2y. Huwag niyo kakalimutan yung parentheses So we'll get 6x minus y minus 5x plus 2y. So it will become 6x minus 5x, that's x. And then minus y plus 2y, that's plus y. So since A sub 3 minus A sub 2 is equal to A sub 2 minus A sub 1, the sequence, yung sequence, hindi ko na masulat lahat is an arithmetic progression. Okay, very good. Yeah, tama, Bea. Ano daw? Sir, wrong send po yung pangalawang sagot. Aling pangalawang sagot? Sabi ni Bea, 6x minus y. Plus ba yun? Plus ba o 2? Minus. Plus 2. Hello, sir, classmate. Hala, nakikiosyosa lang. Hello, Sir Jeff. Si Sir Jeff, alam niyo ba si Sir Jeff? Isasama ko dapat siya dito sa live na to, kaso ayaw niya. So, i-convince niyo nga si Sir Jeff na sumama sa akin next time. Tama, Bea. Oh, you just have to simplify. Kaso hindi siya plus 2y. I think it's minus 2y. Yeah, it should be minus 2y. Yan. Nakikiusyosa lang daw siya. Classmates, si Sir Jeff, oh, classmate daw niya kayo. Sir Jeff, sasama ka sa akin sa next live. O gusto niyo din bang mag-setup ng live si Sir Jeff? Teacher niyo ba si Sir Jeff ngayon? Ay, parang hindi, no? Si Sir Franz pala yung science niyo. Sorry po, ha. Okay. Oy, no problem, Bea. Okay lang. Minus lang naman yung mali. Oy, nope daw, sabi ni Sir Jeff. Nope. Bea nyo, convince natin si Sir Jeff na sumama sa next live. Sobrang galing nito sa math. Okay. So let's have example 3. For the arithmetic progression 2, 7, 12, 17, 22, find each of the following terms. A sub 7, A sub 15, A sub 20, and A sub n. Hello daw, Sir Jeff, sabi ni Adrian. So we'll have, Hoy, Sir Jeff, may next time pa po. Shakes head. So we'll have 2, 7, 2, 7, 12, 22. The common difference is, kanina na-solve na natin no? It's plus 5. So go to the next term, you add 5, you add 5, you add 5, you add 5. You add 5. So the common difference is 5. 5. And this is your A sub 1, A sub 2, A sub 3, A sub 4. Okay. Yung A sub 7, madali lang, no? Kasi ano lang tayo dyan eh. Magdagdag lang tayo ng 3, 3, 3. Di pala, 5, 5, 5. 3, 3, 3. So magdagdag tayo ng 5, you will get, anong sunod dito? Plus 5. What's plus 5? 2, 7, 12, 22, plus 5, 27, plus 5, we'll have 32, plus 5, 37, plus 5, 42. Ayan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pero ang kailangan ng A sub 7, so A sub 7 is 37. Pero the question is, paano kapag A sub 15 na? Or A sub 20, or A sub 50, or A sub 99? Sir, nakaligtang po kayo ng isang term. Sorry. 2, 7, 12, 17. Sorry, I forget the 17. So, may 17 dapat to. Thank you, Harold. So, there should be 17 here. So, this is A sub 4, hindi yung isa. A sub, so mali din to. Burahin natin. This is A sub 4, A sub 5, A sub 6, A sub 7. So, A sub 7 is 32. Thank you. 32. Yan. Paano kung A sub 15 na? Balik sa question. 15, 20, 99. Okay, kunyari hindi siya, pero possible naman, pero sobrang haba nung i-add natin. Okay. Sige. Kanina may nabanggit si Bea na formula. Bea, can you please write the formula on the comment box? Or kung sino man ang may alam ng formula na nakalagay dun sa sa module natin. Baka alam ni Sir Jeff. Sir Jeff, nandiyan ka pa ba? Wala na Sir Jeff. Hindi na nagparamdam. Nag-shake ng head. Okay. Sabi ni Bea, it should be A sub 15. So, A sub 15, sabi ni Bea, it's A sub 15. Ay, teka lang. Sino ba to? Si Trixie pala to. So, sulat ko lang dito ha. A sub 15 is equal to 2 times 15 minus 1 times 5. I think there should be a plus here. Oh, yun. Nakalimutan daw niya yung plus. Okay. So the formula daw is A sub n is equal to A sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Okay. So let's just use the notation na binigay sa atin ni Bea. Sabi dito, A sub 1 is equal to n minus 1 times d. Now, bakit naging ganito yung formula? So, bakit naging ganun yung formula? So, basically, ito yung sagot natin dito sa number 4. So, small letter A lang yung ginamit ko dito. Okay. So, notice that yung A sub 1 natin, which is 2, is basically A sub 1. Ay, sabi ko nga pala, Bea, okay lang ba? Small letter na lang gamitin natin, mas madaling isulat. Okay. Yung A sub 2, you can get A sub 2 by A sub 1 plus the common difference D, or the 5. You can get A sub 3 by getting A sub 1 plus adding the common difference twice. So it's a D plus a D, or a 2D. And then A sub 4, you can get A sub 4 by A sub 1 plus adding the common difference thrice. So it's 3D. Okay, and so on. So, based on this, paano din makukuha yung 2, 3? How about A sub, sabi kasi dito, yung A sub 15 daw, A sub 15, sabi ni Bea, it's 2. 2 is basically your first term. So that's A sub 1 plus 15 minus 1. 15 minus 1. Kasi dapat 14 to, no? Kung mapansin nyo, 4 to, naging 3 dito. 3, tapos 2 lang na common difference dito, then 2, tapos naging 1. Tapos syempre, pag 1, wala ka nang i-add na common difference. So kung 15 to, it should be 14D. Tama? 14D. Okay? So the formula is A sub n is equal to the first term plus 14. Kung ano man yun nandito na subscript, ma-minus natin ng 1. So it's n minus 1 times the common difference d. Okay? So this is your formula. Hindi ko alam kung kita nyo tong red na ink na color ng pen. So sana kita siya. So let's solve A sub 15. Anybody who would like to solve A sub 15? On the comment box, what is A sub 15? So kailangan nyo lang i-simplify yung ginawa ni Trixie. A sub 15. A sub 15. What is A sub 15? Okay, let's see. Set up ko muna A sub 15 na. White. So A sub 15 for number 2. A sub 15, based on the formula, it's A sub 1, which is 2, plus 15 minus 1, 72. Sabi ni Cons. 72 daw. Do you agree it's 70? Is it really 72? So it's 15 minus 1 times a common difference of 5. Yeah, 72 daw. 2 plus 14 times 5. What is 14 times 5? 70 plus 2. 72. Very good. 72. Alex, very good. 72. Very good. Neil. Adrian, very good. Alex, very good. How about A sub 20? So nga, anybody? A sub 20. A sub 20. May nag-message sa akin si 72. Yes, Sir Jeff. Very good. 72. It's 72. Sabi ni Thea, it's 97. Number 3 daw is 97. Cons, 97. Then Alex, 97. Cons, 97. Nag-message si Trisha de Mesa. Walang tanong sa number 10. Koma-koma lang. Doon sa nyo, sa module nyo. Sige, ayusin ko na lang. So, 97. Sabi ni Adrian, 97. Si Cute, 97 daw. Frankie, 97. Okay, so let's see if it's 97. Teka lang, baka magsagot ulit si Sir Jeff. Kung 97 nga. Ay, sorry. Oops. So, it's a sub 20 is equal to first term, which is 2, plus. Gusto nyo ba sasubstitute pa? Iyan natin na 20 minus 1. What's 20 minus 1? That's 19. 19 times common difference of 5. So we'll get 2 times, what is 15 times 9? Is it 95? 95, yeah, times 2. 95 plus 2. It's 97. Very good. And obviously, A sub n, we already have this one. Thank you. Thank you so much for participating. Okay, so let's have the last exercise, which is about arithmetic means. So what are arithmetic means? Anybody? Ano yung arithmetic means? Kung nagbasa na kayo ng module nyo, ano yung arithmetic means? Sige, what are arithmetic means? Sabi ni Neil, kung pwede daw siyang pwede siyang gumamit ng digital notes. Sabi ko before, di ba, sabi ko pwede. Pero kung okay naman, kung feeling nyo mas magandang mag-digital notes, go lang. Okay lang. Illustrator daw gamit niya. Mas madali daw. Okay, sige. Ako kasi kapag piniprint ko lahat, kapag may mga readings, may mga kailangan akong basahin, piniprint ko siya. Hindi ko alam kung hindi ako makafocus kapag sa computer o kaya sa tablet nagbabasa or kaya sa cellphone. Tapos kapag kailangan kong i-type ang isang bagay, kailangan kong na siyang isulat sa notebook bago ko siya i-type. Okay, naiinggit nga ako what's ter? Terms. Nasa gitna po ng consecutive terms. Yeah, very good. Yeah. Nasa gitna ng consecutive terms. So, kunin ko yung module nyo. Sabi sa module nyo, arithmetic means are terms between two non-consecutive. Ang alam ko, two non-consecutive eh. Terms between any two non-consecutive terms of an arithmetic sequence. So, arithmetic means, can we use AM? Huwag na lang, baka may ibang AM tayo na paggamitan eh. Arithmetic means, these are terms between two non-consecutive terms in an AP. Okay, AP is arithmetic progression. So number 1, find two arithmetic means between 2 and 8. Nakasulat to dun sa module nyo, pero sagutan pa rin natin dito. I'll change color. Okay. So ang gawin nyo dito, for number 1, saan ba dapat? Sige, dito na lang. For number 1, kailangan daw natin magsingit ng dalawang arithmetic means between 2 and 8. So, 2, and then blank, blank, and then 8. Okay. By doing that, 2 is your A sub 1, and 8 is your A sub 4. Tama? This is your A sub 4. Ngayon, kung alam lang sana natin yung common difference, kaya natin makuha yung second tsaka third term. So, ang gawin natin, kunin natin yung common difference. We'll be using the formula na binigay sa atin kanina ni Trixie. Yung na-derive natin na formula. So, sabi doon, A sub n is equal to A sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So, let's substitute. Meron tayong A sub 4 tsaka A sub 1. So, we have A sub 4. So, yung n mo naging 4. A sub 1 is 2. Plus, yung n mo ay 4 minus 1 times d. Common difference yung natin, so wala pa siya. A sub 4, by the way, is 8. Base dun sa given. So, we'll have 8 is equal to 2. And then 4 minus 1, that's 3 times d. Plus 3d. Okay. And then solve for d. Sige nga, unahan nga sa comment box. What's the value of d? What's the value of D? So we can subtract 2 from both sides. We'll have 6 is equal to 3D. And then divide everything by 3. And D is equal to 2. So we have a common difference of 2. 2. Okay, very good, cons, 2. So 2 na yung common difference. So we can now get the, yeah, Trixie 2. Okay, so we can get the next term. 2 plus 2. So we'll add 2 here. So we'll get 4. And then 4 plus 2, you will get 6. Oh, yeah. Tama. Cute. 2. Okay. How about 2? Number 2. Insert 5 arithmetic means between negative 32 and 4. Ito na yung last question. Okay. Again, insert 5 arithmetic means between negative 32 and 4. I think I can show 2 ways on how to do this. Tama, may 2 ways ba? 2 ways. Obviously, you can do this. Pwede yung ganito. So I'll put the solution for number 2 here. I'll change color. Okay, for number 2. Sige, while I'm waiting for answers. Kung meron kayong gustong i-guess dito comment down below. Sino ba gusto nyo i-guess? Si Sir Jeff talaga, pipiliin ko si Sir Jeff talaga na umattend nitong live. O baka sa mga alumni. Baka may gusto kayong isama sa mga alumni. Or gusto nyo sila yung kasama ko magturo. Okay. So mukhang nagsosolve pa kayo. Tulungan ko yung mag-solve. Insert 5 arithmetic means between negative 32 and 4. So negative 32, I'll just put it here. Negative 32. Tapos 5 arithmetic means. So ibig sabihin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sana kita nyo pa. And then 4. So by doing this, your a sub 1 is negative 32. And then 4 is your, what term is 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So pang 7 na si 4. Okay. So balik tayo dito sa formula na to. We can substitute a sub 7 is equal to first term, which is negative 32, plus 12d po. Okay, sabi ni Cons, ang common difference daw ay 12. So let's see. Okay. So it's n minus 1. Our n is 7. So 7 minus 1 times the common difference. Yun yung hinahanap natin. So we'll get negative 32 plus 7 minus 1 is 6d. Ang a sub 7 natin ay 4. Mali po yun. d equals 6. Mali daw po yan. Sabi ni, sabi ni Cons, mali daw. Sabi ni Sir Jeff, d is equal to 6. Okay, tama kaya si Sir Jeff. Sabi ni Thea, 6 daw. Sabi ni Adrian, 6 daw. So let's see if it's 6. Sabi ni Sir, active si Sir Jeff 6 daw. Let's see if it's 6. And then, obviously, we add 32 on both sides. It will become 32 plus 4. Makacancel yung negative 32 dito. We'll have 6d. 32 plus 4 is 36 is equal to 6d. And then, therefore, divide everything by 6. And d is equal to 6. Oh, galing Sir Jeff, Very good sa mga nag-6. Siguro si Cons, ba't kaya 12 siguro? Then, na-realize naman ni Cons, ba't siya 12? Sir, bawal po bang baliktarin? Bawal po bang gawing a sub 1 yung 4? Gawing a sub 1 yung 4. Okay. Kaso, magne-negative, no? Oh, magne-negative. Hindi ko naisip yun, ha? Between negative 32 and 4. Aha. Hindi ko sure kung may rule na dapat kung ano yung unang sinabi. Siya yung ano. Siya yung mas nauna dapat. Pero baka ganun para ma-avoid siguro yung confusion natin. Kasi kung gagawin natin 4 tapos ang next term ay negative, ang last term ay negative 32, so your common difference will be negative 6. Tama ba? Ayun ba yung Vic yun? Sabi kasi ni Vic, kung pwede daw na baliktarin. Okay. Kung pwedeng baliktarin. So ganito na lang sa class na lang natin kung ano yung una kong kung ano yung unang mabanggit ayun yung mas unang term. Okay, okay lang ba 'yon? Para hindi pwedeng baliktarin. Okay lang ba 'yun? Comment down below ha pag may mga libro kayo na nabasa na binaliktad. So dalawa yung sagot, isang negative 6 at saka isang d equals 6. Okay, but for now kung ano yung unang binanggit ayun yung mas unang term. Okay. Nalito lang daw si Con sa pagsulat. Okay. So for now, it's D is equal to 6. Oh, very good. No? Curious lang daw si Vic. Very good, ah. Actually, hindi ko nga din naisip na kung baka pwedeng baliktarin yun eh. Okay. So, D is equal to 6. So, therefore, the arithmetic means are negative 32 plus 6. Yan na naman tayo sa negative 32 plus 6. Negative 32 plus 6 is 26. Okay, yan. Negative 26 daw, sabi ni Cons. Negative 26. Negative 20. Wait lang, nawala yung ano ko. Negative 20. What's next? Negative 14, kasi plus 6 nga pala, no? Plus negative 8, and then negative 2. Ayan. At kinonfirm ni Sir Jeff. Negative 26, negative 20, negative 14, negative 8, negative 2. Yan. Thank you, Sir Jeff. So, tama. Now, may isa pang way before we end this live broadcast. May isa pang way. Notice that dito, we have negative 32, tapos 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we'll have 4. Okay. Pwede natin kunin yung yung average ni negative 32 at saka 4. Kunin natin yung midpoint ni negative 32 at 4. So we can just add negative 32 plus 4. So negative 32 plus 4. That will give us negative 28. Negative 28. And then we divide this by 2. So we'll get negative 14. So negative 14 yung gitna, yung pinakagitna. So this is negative 14. Tama ba? 5 pala to, no? 5. Negative 14. Tapos, magpo-formula pala tayo doon sa isa. Di pala, sorry. Mas manakalito. So, maging negative 20, negative 26. Erase nyo, burahin yung isa kong sinabi. Sabi ko may ano pa. Burahin na nga natin to. Akala ko kasi pwedeng kung 1, kung 4 siguro, no? Ay, hindi pala. Kung 5, kasi inisip ko, kukunin natin yung gitna nito. Well, anyway, huwag yun naisipin. Burahin ko na to. Baka may mag-comment pa. Baka mag-comment pa si Sir Jeff. Sabi ko kasi may isa pang method eh. But anyway, okay. Ito na yun. Sige, thank you. Do you have any question? Naging 36 na yung live audience natin, ha? Kung 3 means, sir, pwede. Oh, kung 3 means daw pwede. Pag 5, Sir Jeff, hindi, kasi magiging dalawa yung magiging dalawa yung nasa tabihan. So, hindi. Okay. So, ito yung sinabi ni Sir Jeff. Kung 3 means daw pwede. Okay. Nag-get si Sir Jeff yung gusto kong gawin, no? Okay. So, ito yung gusto kong gawin sana kanina. Meron kang a sub 1, tapos hindi. Ano daw hindi? Hind 8. Anong ibig sabihin mo, sir? Hind 8. Let's say A at B to. This is A and then B. Yung kukunin po yung average. Oo, yun kukunin yung average. Pag gusto mong kunin to, yung gitna, you can just get the average of A and B. So, makukuha mo to. A and B. So, this is A plus B over 2. Okay? Tapos, to get the other one, itong nasa baba, itong kasunod ng A, you'll get the average of A and A plus B over 2. Hindi yung sa tanong mo na kung pwede ang 5 means. Okay. Hindi nga pwede yung 5 means. Mali yung iniisip ko kanina. Okay. So dito, para makuha naman itong pangalawang to, you get the average of A at saka ito. Okay? Pag di ko nalagay yung formula kasi baka dumami. A maging A plus, kasi maging ano ba to? Pwede rin ang 7 means. Sabi ni Sir Jeff, pwede din daw ang 7 means. 7 kasi maging 3. Tama. Magkakaroon pa rin ng gitna. Okay. Sabi ko sa inyo isama na talaga natin si Sir Jeff sa next live. Sir Jeff, kailan ba next live natin? Next week, no? Tuesday ulit next week. So to get this, get the average of A, at saka kung ano yung makuha mo dito. And then to get this naman, kunin mo yung average nito, tsaka ito. Sabi ni Sir Jeff, kung 7 means daw, let's see kung 7 means A, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, tapos B. Pag kinuha natin yung average ng A at B, ang makukuha natin ay ito. Tapos, pag kinuha natin naman yung average ng ito at saka ito, ang makukuha mo naman to. Tapos, kunin mo yung average nito para makuha mo naman tong kabila. And then, get the average of this one to get this one. And then, do the same thing on the other side. Okay? Yan. Thank you, Sir Jeff. I'll be uploading the PowerPoint presentation kung gusto nyo to sa drive natin. Sige. Do you have any questions? Ayan na, si Sir Jeff. Works for n squared minus 1. Isasama talaga ni Sir Jeff. Works daw for n squared minus 1 means. So, ibig sabihin, kung 2 squared, that's 4 minus 1, 3. Kung 3 squared, 9 minus 1, 8. Pwede ba sa 8? Sir, lahat po ata yung odd numbers. Kasi yung 5 hindi eh. Yung 5 hindi pwede. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7. I know. Hindi daw, sabi ni Sir Jeff. Well, anyway, basta isipin nyo doon, kapag kinuha nyo yung dulon-dulots, may gitna kayong nakuha. Yon, tapos pag kinuha nyo ulit, may gitna ulit na lalabas. Yon. So, pwede nyo gamitin tong technique na to. Pero kung ayaw nyo naman ito, you can always go back to this one. Okay, itong solution natin dito, pwede na. May binigay ulit na bagong formula si Sir Jeff. Let's see whether that will work or not. 2 raised to n, ano ba to? 2 raised to n minus 1. Is it 2 raised to n minus 1? 2 raised to n minus 1. Uy, pwede daw yung 5. Feeling ko, Vic, hindi eh. Kasi pag nakuha mo yung, nung nakuha ko yung 14, bigla nung dalawa yung magiging means dun sa kabila. So you cannot do the averaging. Sabi ni Harold, next live daw si Sir Ikoy featuring Sir Jeff. Ano gusto nyong ituro namin? 2 raised to n minus 1. Let's see nga. Kung 3, 2 raised to 3, 8 minus 1, 7. 2 raised to 4. What's 2 raised to 4? 16? Minus 1, 15. So 15, pwede ba ang 15? Ganito na lang. Pakiraw-raw lang kasi ako, no? Pakiraw-raw lang daw siya. So ganito na lang daw siya. Okay. Thank you, Sir Jeff. Okay, guys, do you still have any question? I have 34 live audience. Meron pa ba kayong mga tanong? Okay, I'll be giving you the link dito sa live na to. Dun sa mga hindi nakapanood, pwede nyo tong mapanood pa ulit. Okay? Sige. Any question? Salamat, maraming salamat. I'll see you sa Friday. Tama? I'll see you sa Friday. Okay. Thank you. I hope nakatulong sa inyo yung session natin para masagutan nyo yung module number 1 for week 2. Okay. Salamat. Iayusin yung description, ililink ko yung mga iba pang pwedeng sagutan na related sa arithmetic sequence na hindi na nailabas dun sa, na hindi nakasama dun sa, sa module nyo. Okay, do you have any questions? Wala naman pong tanong. Okay, thank you. Salamat. Salamat, Adrian. Salamat, Bea. Sir Jeff, thank you so much. See you on our next live. Oh, yan, si Askia. Si Askia, sama natin. Minsan. Okay, salamat, salamat. Ingat kayo, ingat kayo. I'll see you on Friday. Thank you, thank you. Thank you.